Hi, I'm vominhman. Today I will continue showing you that the way to deploy the Blazor web assembly blocker UI on Azure clouds. So before continue next step, I will show to the in the previous video what I've done. In the previous video, I already done created the locker swagger UI, and it's so in the UI that locker API. Beside that, I already created the database on the Azure. Yes, and now I will show you the way to deploy the Blazor WebAssembly as the structure of the source. Before we have a blocker web UI to show the UI of blocker applications. Now I will deploy that blocker application to the Azure. So we will follow this step as below. The first, I will create the static web app on Azure, and the next, I will change configuration URI on app setting JSON to call the API blocker API. There's several ways to change the configuration, but in this example, I will change the configuration directly on the source. And the next steps, I will publish the blocker.web UI to Azure. So let's start with the first step. I will create the static web on the web app on the Azure. We create the app service. We can search app service here, or you read or you rest the icon app service and create the static web app. It's the same. We choose the resource group, the web name, blogger web app, free. I choose fish, and I choose other. The is Asia. Okay. So I will introduce to you the next step while the static web app is creating. So the next step, we will change configuration URI on app settings.json. This means that in the shortcut, I have the app setting in the blocker.web UI. It defines the UI, so I will change to the URL of web app blocker swagger. The URL is here. It is the content of the blocker swagger here. We have, when we write those blocker swagger, we will have this information in the default domain. Yes, and I will check. I already change this font to Colin Dash. Okay, there's web app static web app already deployed successful. So I change already the web app URL, and then I will publish this by publish the blocker.web UI to Azure by Visual Studio as the image on the screen. I will do is by in the Visual Studio. So we will wait for these steps completely, and when it's completely published successfully, it will serve the URL to the browser automatically, like the Blogger Swagger before. It asks the credential authentication for the account to the Azure. Okay, while waiting the Blogger UI is published, I will show you the another ways to query the data on Azure database. We can use the tool is uh, called the Azure Data Studio. There's several ways to connect to that. Now I already connected, so I will connect connection. We choose the server, choose the authenticate time, accounts, and connect. And you see right now I already connected to the Blogger server, and we have some table here when we have run the application already. So we try to select here. Okay, sorry, here we choose the database and select. Okay, it already shows some information of the spot. Beside also we show some use. Okay, so we as you see we can use this tool to connect to the Azure database and query some result from that server. So waiting for the Blogger web UI is published. It's take rather long time, but when it already successful created, it will show in the browser. Besides that, I would like to review it about the configuration of Blogger. Here, oh, it already show the Blogger UI, and you see that it will serve in the UI. Okay, UI is already successful. You see that this is the home of the Blogger application. We can serve, yes, can go to detail and plug in, and we can register an email. For example, I will try to go through some step in Blogger application. For example, we can register here. gender. Okay, we choose this. Okay, visitor. Okay, it's already visitor. It's informed visitor successful. Okay, now we go to my dash account. Okay, if the normal the user with the wrong user, we will see your the post is public, the published post, and also we will can show the post and can create the news post. For example, I will try to create a new post for this video. In this video, have with that introduction, I prepare some information for that. Body. Okay, I will choose the 5 of my page. We choose as the age published and save the post. Okay, save the post successfully. So when we go home, it will show the post that is published is included here. When the new user go to the post is included here. This normal user with the user role. Yes, and another you can go to profiles for enter or update something. We log out and we log in again with the admin role. With the admin role, we have more menu about control the user, or you can edit the post. For example, here it is your post. This post is depends on the post you created, and you can with the admin you can control the user, the new user here, and add edit. You can edit. Yes, here you can edit. Even though if you are with admin run, you can delete it. Okay, you can ask profile account. Okay, that is also is the demo for deployment of the Blazor, including Blazor API and Blazor UI applications. So thank you for watching, and if you have any idea to improve my Blazor application, please give me by email vominhman@gmail.com. Again, thank you so much for watching.